Hello YouTube, this is my first video on YouTube, and I'm here, the random cookie, and today we're gonna play some Gun of Boom. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay YouTube, we're right here in the Gun of Boom starting thing. Yo, this look cool. And I'm gonna pause until we already get there, okay? Bye. Okay guys, it's been like 5 minutes, I gotta say. And I have not got, well, it's gonna start soon. I think it's taken a long time. Okay, see you right there again. Okay guys, we're gonna boom, and I did not know my old account saved. So yeah, let's get into a battle. Yo, it's been a long time. Okay, let me get a free crate. So guys, in my opinion, this is the greatest gun game I've ever seen on Android. I'm playing on Android, by the way. And maybe I'm pretty sure, well, I'm not pretty sure, I'm kind of sure it's not for. Yo guys, if you want to see another part, just if you like watching my videos, or like, since this is kind of my first video, if this gets 1 like, I'll make a whole series about this game. Well, I would probably already. Oh goodness, I'm gonna die. Oh come on, I wasted one of the. Yo, I'm gonna be a sniper. This is what I love about this game. Bah! Bah! Please leave me alone. Oh, the Slayer. I was killed by I'm a god. You know, I'm just gonna be a shotgun, my favorite. Yeah. Sometimes I forget that you don't need that you don't tap. It's not tapping. Ah, I was killed by Quantity Toe 2006. Oh crap! Oh wait, I'm gonna get a. Hold on. Oh come on! I'll just pick that gun. I'm not usually this bad. No, come on, kill him! Ah, you suck! I'm just gonna be right here. Since oh, sorry if you couldn't hear me. My mic was all the way down. Nope, don't want to play that. I'm sorry if it lagged for you, cause it lagged for me. Sorry, I'm kind of sick right now, so watching my videos up a lot. Yes, come on, yes, I like this. Yeah, it's first blood. First blood. What? So guys, if you guys are wondering if I'm gonna cuss or not, I am not gonna cuss, okay? So if you don't like cussing, you're all about not cussing, then this is a good channel for you. But it may have violence, like this game. I'm not sure if it shows blood or anything. So please do not. This is copyright. I mean, not copyright. Come on, really copyright? I mean, just like Don't don't stop not liking me. It's because if I got no, I had a knife. Never knew I had a knife. Oh come on! Oh, I'm gonna get a. Oh, did he got a sniper or a Hansel? Hansel's like a machine gun. Come on. Come on. And I'm also gonna have like 15-minute videos. I'm pretty sure. Yes, I killed him. Yes, yes, goodness. He's gonna stand here on heal. Oh my goodness. Oh, I thought that was a person the other team. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? So I'm kind of being very quiet. Just my first video, which I'm kind of shy. I'm not shy. But oh come on, hand grenade. Yo, I remember I caught in a killing spree with one hand grenade. I killed like 6 people. My team definitely won. Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh, I did not see. Oh. So I landed on the guy's head. That's why I was gonna sneak up on the guy. But the guy didn't see me. But he saw me and hand grenade in my face. Yeah, he just like threw it on my face. Oh my goodness. Where's the guy? I shot the guy now? I didn't know that. Oh, I almost killed him. Come on, with the worst gun, with the starter gun. And, yo, come on. Oh, crap. Come on. Doesn't kill him. Got a bunch of stuff. I bought a lot of stuff. With not real money. Just played about an hour on this game. Yo, wait a minute, what? What happened? Oh, come, yes, oh yes. Kick. I had 7 HP. I'm sorry if it's very laggy. Or try to slow down the lag. I'll put like very high frame per second. Probably gonna waste like. But oh goodness, yes, no, the Gatling. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. The thing I like about this game is that it shoots like with you just pass someone, like you don't. It doesn't have like a button to shoot. It just shoots automatically. Private. Pool man. Yo, I came in first place. Yes. Double kill. Level 5. I like the head. So YouTube, I am sorry, but random cookie out. Sorry, I got a burp. Goodbye.